In this video, we'll show you how to replace the park assist camera on your Ford F-150. This is located in the rear of the vehicle and below the logo. Let's get started. We need to remove the emblem off the back of the tailgate here. There's a small opening in the bottom. I'm just going to use a small flathead screwdriver to bring this up a little bit and get my trim tool in there. If you don't have a trim tool, you can certainly just use a larger flathead screwdriver. Pull that off and set that off to the side. Now we have two 7mm bolts. We can go ahead and remove those. You can use your pry tool or your flathead screwdriver again. And we'll get that out. We have our electrical connector here. We'll press in on the tab. Can help to press in on the connector while you're pressing it on the tab to get it to release, and then pull out. Going to make sure to check your terminals for any corrosion or damage. These look good. We can go ahead and remove our T25 Torx bit. Now there's three tabs, one on each side and one on the top. We can pry up on each of those and remove the camera. Installing the new camera is just the reverse order of removing the old one. Now we can go ahead and reinstall our Torx bit. Now that we have that together, we can go ahead and plug in our electrical connector. Make sure it's fully seated and not going to pull back out. And get this lined up. There's two little tabs on the back side. Don't need to press in too hard. Once that's there, we can go ahead and install our two 7mm screws. Not too tight, these just go into plastic. And we can pop back on our emblem. Line up those tabs, pop it in. Now you want to make sure you test the camera. If it's working, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.